Alright guys, so the day's finally come. It's going bye-bye. The Genesis is getting picked up today. So there it is, one last time. We'll get one last startup because I need to move it so that way the tow truck can just come pick it up. Had to move Lisa's car out to the street and things like that. So yeah, this is it. Actually, I think I have an idea. Wait, no.
Like Ike, share like Sonny Bono before you hit the tree, comment like the meteor's crashing down on you, and ring the bell like LL, because it's cool even though he's not a J, okay?
And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button. We got another Genesis coming, but you know. So anyway, here's my idea. I'm taking the Rspec off. I don't know if you guys can see that. You see my face though, right? So I'm gonna take this off because I have an idea. Hopefully without breaking it. Perfect. Perfect. There we go. Right there. Alright guys, so obviously remember last week I was clearly in a accident there and that's what happened. So saved my life clearly because I'm still here, and yeah, I had some good times with this car. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. Yeah. Kidding. Anyway, so I'm gonna just get this backed up. Oh, I did take the cat off last night too because I have to register the car in Connecticut before I register it in any other state, which means it's gonna have to go through emissions. And that other car doesn't have a cat, so let's get this backed up for you. And yeah, that's it. That's it. Time to move on. Loved you, thank you. Come again. It is coming again, so yeah, we got this covered. Don't worry. Don't worry. I gotta get to work now though. Alright guys, really quick before I take off and go to work. So I took the Rspec badge. Now, no, I'm not going to put it on the back of the new car. I'm actually going to put it on the valve cover. And the reason being, I just wanted to bring some of the old in with the new car. And actually it's kind of funny because this thing is made of metal. and it's kind of heavy actually. So some more double-sided tape, and goes right on the valve cover. I might spray it a little bit though, because it's kind of. So yeah, I gotta go to work, and I'll let you guys know the deal with the next Genesis Coupe a little bit later after work. So I'll talk to you then. Wasn't that allowed without the so I took the whole cat off, so there's nothing hooked up. That car is ridiculous. Sounds nasty. Sounds like a 3-rotor. No, it doesn't. So does it count as chips if it's Connecticut Highway Patrol, which I've never seen a Connecticut Highway Patrol officer before in my life? Yeah, don't mind the music. Yeah, don't laugh at me. Anyway. Alright guys, I just finished up with work, and I finally heard back from the dealer that I've been working with as far as the other Genesis Coupe is concerned. I was getting concerned just because, oh crap, I left something on my Genesis Coupe that I meant to take off. Damn it. I don't know what just made me think of that. Anyway, you know, he was supposed to get back in contact with me, didn't get in contact with me. I called yesterday, and they kept saying he was in a meeting. I'm like, this is getting ridiculous. So today while I was at work, I started looking at other Genesis Coupes. And then I'm like, I sent him an email and didn't hear anything. So I actually had his cell phone number, which, you know, I wasn't trying to be a pain in the ass, but I was being a pain in the ass. He called me. I got in contact with him. He said he'll call me back in like 2 minutes. Calling me back just now, which is half an hour later. But it looks like everything is all set, and I will be picking up the new whip on Friday or Saturday. So, you know, it's coming. So be patient. It takes a little bit of time. Me talking about being patient, and I'm like freaking out because this guy didn't call me back. Anyway, so I'm gonna actually head to the gym, and let's see if they actually took the gen, because if they didn't, I'm gonna take that what I'm looking for.